Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in the series of talking about stock market updates, I will be giving you the overview of global indices. We will be discussing about Dow Jones and Nifty 50, how it can trade in tomorrow trading session. Further, I have news related to the Reliance Industries AGM, and I will also be telling you about the DreamFolks IPO grey market premium towards the end of the video. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. The big news coming from the Dow Jones today is that Dow Jones recovered from the lows of 200 points today, and it gives a good sign to the investor as well as in the market shows strength from the bottom levels. You can see that the stock trimmed losses as Wall Street attempts to recover from the Friday sell-off. Well, there is a positive thing from the sell-off recovery is that the investors are believing that the stock market has already bottomed out and there are chances that the market can go up further from these levels. I believe there is a strong support for Dow Jones also at the level of 32,000, and if you will see today, the Dow Jones took support of 32,000 and went back up from that particular level. Talking about the Nifty 50, what happened in Nifty 50 today? As we know that Nifty made a low of 17,166 points. Again, it was a huge gap down for the Nifty today, but it recovered exceptionally well. This kind of recovery I was not expecting in the market, but Nifty totally just ramped up everything and gave 300 points really from the bottom. Now you will see that Nifty is currently at the level of 17,312, made a high of 17,380. If you are someone who likes to do options trading or who likes to play in Nifty 50 index, I must tell you that Nifty holds a strong support at the level of 17,200. As you can see this particular line here, we had this trend lines drawing from starting of the month, and I believe that again Nifty showed a great respect to this particular line, and if in future Nifty comes down and gives the closing, please mark my words, if Nifty falls below the level of 17,200 and gives closing below the 17,200, there are high chances that we are going to see the level of 17,000 rupees in this current week. Yes, so be cautious again, it was a good pullback today, but look at the global sentiments as well and respect them. The Nifty is currently having a strong resistance at the level of 17,400 at this 20 days moving average. Further, it has a resistance at the level of further it has resistance at the level of 17,500. So if Nifty breaks the level of 17,380 tomorrow, then there are high chances that Nifty will continue this uptrend in the market. Looking at the FIIs and DIIs data, you will see that there has not been a huge sell-off or a buy from the FIIs and DIIs. There has only been negative 561 crore selling coming from the DIIs, from the FIIs, sorry, which again is normal for the market. I believe one of the reason why Nifty didn't fell today is because that there has not been a sell-off from the FII side. Talking about the big news of today, Reliance had their AGM today and they are planning to invest 2 trillion in 5G pan-Indian rollout by December 2023. Well, again, this is a big thing for Reliance coming up, and I believe that these are something which can hamper their results in a positive direction. Yes, if you will ask me which one company is doing exceptionally well in gaining customers in telecom or doing well in 5G or might do well in 5G, then again Reliance Industry is there. Jio is a part of Reliance Industry as of now. They don't have a separate entity or a separate company for Jio, but after seeing the growth in the customer base and 5G rollout thing, this can definitely have a really big and positive impact on the Reliance Industries. If we have to see the Reliance Industry, one of the most or one of the largest company in India currently, wait, I'll show you the chart, and if you are planning to buy Reliance Industries, then I must tell you that it has a strong support at the level of 2,500, and if you find this particular stock at the level of 2,400 in coming days or in coming correction, you can definitely think about investing in Reliance Industries because it has, or it is going to have a very positive outlook and a very positive future from at the current point. Now, the next big news again from the Reliance Industries only, that Reliance, they have Meta partners for the JioMart to offer a grocery shopping on WhatsApp. Again, a positive news coming for Reliance Industries. And you will see that it's a first ever end-to-end shopping experience on messaging platform, says Mark Zuckerberg. Well, again, will definitely a growth plan of Reliance Industries to open geomarts and make shopping easier for people of the country. And I believe that this can again play a major role after partnering with Meta. There are chances that they can see a massive growth in future in Reliance stock value as well. Now, one more big news which is coming from the market was related to the Nifty50. Yes, the BofA, the Bank of America, has given the new targets for Nifty50 to trade between the range of 17,000 to 19,500 this year. Well, again, this is a good range which BofA has presented, but I believe that if markets corrected, and if market has to correct and if stays under pressure due to US Fed Reserve or any Fed hikes or the RBI hikes or because of their commentary, I believe that Nifty can break the level of 17,000 and it can trade at the level of 16,600. That is like the bottom level which I am seeing for the Nifty. It might come, it might not come, but I believe that there are high chances that 16,600 is the last likely support for Nifty in the current year. Nifty can go up to the level of 19,500. It's a good thing. We all will make profits, hopefully. And I have already shared a lot of videos related to the growth stocks, related to the good tech stocks. If you haven't watched them, please make sure to watch those videos as well. Now, talking about the DreamFolks IPO, yes, everyone was talking about DreamFolks IPO. I have also applied for one particular lot in DreamFolks IPO. I know the IPO size is not big and it is very hard to get the IPO listing with such a small IPO size. You will see that the IPO price band was fixed 308 to 326 rupees, and the grey market premium, yes, the grey market premium looks lucrative and it is currently 80 rupees. Well, this is a great grey market premium and you can definitely look for this company for mid-term purpose as well as if you want to book profits, and if you feel that the market are under pressure or the market can correct further from these levels, then definitely you can book your profit on the very first day as well. But my recommendation or my suggestion will be that you can exit half of your profits, like definitely like the number of shares, you can sell half of your shares and keep half of your shares for the long to mid-term scenario. You never know how it gonna perform and gonna give you profit in future. So definitely it's a monopoly stock, one of a kind of business they have in airport and everything. So you can definitely look and keep like half of the stocks for the midterm period. I hope like I was able to give you a good overview of today's market and what can happen in Nifty for tomorrow. So I hope that you are seeing how market is trading and you are being cautious, and I continuously have been saying multiple times to book profit, and you're doing so and you are looking for the opportunities in the market. That's it from my side. And if you haven't checked out my videos like best growth stocks to buy in correction, and there are some other videos which I have taken out, and if you haven't checked them as well, like best stocks for life, best stocks under 100, you can look for those stocks in these market opportunities as well. This is not a recommendation, but you can research upon them, and if you like any of that particular stock or those stocks, you can definitely plan to invest in all these stocks. So once again, thank you. If you like the video, please make sure to like this video and share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.